Okay, hello Year 6, it's Miss Airy again. I hope you are having a good day and getting on all right with all of the work that you've been set. So I'm going to be talking to you about spelling today. I'm going to go through the task that we have sent you and do a little bit of work with you like we would be doing in class. So as you can see today, we are exploring morphology. And this is something we have done before. Just to remind you, morphology is the part of a word structure. So if you look at the title here, can I build words from root words using prefixes and suffixes? That is what morphology is all about. So if you can see here, I've said for this lesson you will need a pen or a pencil, you will need a ruler, and you'll need paper to write on. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is look at this spelling matrix. Now you've looked at spelling matrices quite a few times over the autumn term, and the first thing I'm going to do is give you a little bit of time just to first of all reacquaint yourselves with the structure of it, and then I want you to try and work out if you can see what's underneath this red box. So here are your prefixes, and over here are your suffixes, the parts of the word that will make up the suffixes. So what do you think might be underneath here? We've got over, pre, re, and un. And this word has come from Germany. It's an old Germanic word. Okay, hopefully you have guessed and you have seen that the word is heat. So overheat, preheat, reheat, and unheat isn't really a word, but you would probably say unheated. Okay, so what I would like to model with you here, and this will lead into what you're about to do on your independent task, is using the matrix, and hopefully people can remember how to do this. We are going to make up words using the parts of words that we have here. So I might start by thinking, okay, well I could make the word over using that prefix and put it with, and if you remember we use the addition sign, heat. Okay, so that word that I have just made there, overheat, for example, you might overheat in the hot sunshine in the summer, not like today. If we put that there, that word has now been, is using a prefix, so I would put it in that section there. I might then think of a different word, and this time I might put it in this category, words with a suffix. So I might say heat, add ing. So like I have put the heating on today because it is cold. So there is heating. Can I think of a word with both? Well, let's have a little look. I might use one of these prefixes. And I might say, let's go with reheat, add ed, so make it past tense, so reheated. I reheated the leftovers in the fridge. Okay, so you get the idea, and now what I'd like you to do is to have a little look at this spelling matrix. So you've got quest, which is a Latin word meaning ask or seek or gain, that's quest. And if I go to the sheet that we have sent you, you've got that on your sheet there with a table just like I have completed on the previous slide. So what I'd like you to do is just like I have done here, I have put my new words with the addition sign just to remind you, because we're adding parts of the word together. I would like you to do the same. This is your main task with the root word quest. So that's the first task, and fill up these columns with as many as you can, making sure they are of course a real word. Try not to come up with made up words, so you might need to double check in a dictionary, but that's okay. And then so yes, see how many you can find. The extension task, if you go onto your lower part of your sheet, bearing in mind also there are answers on the next page, so no cheating, no going ahead. You have an extension task which is to look at the following words: inquest, request, and conquest. If I go back to this slide, so look at those three words: Can you first of all find the definition of these words? And then can you try and explore and explain what the prefix means? So how does the prefix change the meaning of the word, of the root word quest? So that's just something for you to have a little explore with and see how you get on. We look forward to seeing what you send us. Okay, good luck.